everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's that day again guys, top 7 of season 16 IdolsSA. It's unfortunate that Jooma was the sacrifice for this week. We wish him all the best guys. The first person to perform was Mzansi's favorite contestant Zama Khumalo, but she didn't receive the positive feedback from the judges. The second performer was Mr. Music. Vocally he received 100%, but guys, performance-wise judges were not impressed at all, and they advised him to try his best both vocally and performance if he still have a future on IdolsSA. The third performer was Ndoni, who most people speculated she won't make it this far, but here she is guys, and she received positive feedback from the judges in both vocally and performance. The fourth performer was Bongi, and she received a positive feedback from Randin and from Unati and Somizi. No, it was a no from them. The fifth performer was Brandon, and he did not meet the judges' expectation too. The sixth performer was Zanotando, and he was complimented for his performance but not for his vocals. The last performer was Ntokozo, who received a woo shame from Somizi. Guys, this was a very difficult week and the judges were not impressed at all. Please comment below guys and share with us who is your winner for this season. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload.